bossing lahat. Bago pa ako kumanta, gusto kong batiin ng happy 10th year anniversary Pelham Global Immigration Corporation. Thank you so much, Sir Birch and Sir Joseph, for having me tonight sa inyong napaka-special na event, no? Thank you very much. And once again, my name is Lay Maniego, aka the Asia's Queen of Fire. And are you guys ready to rumble?
Yeah!
Dapat malakas. Are you guys ready to rumble?
Yeah!
Flowers and hand waiting for me. Every word in poetry would call me by name. Only baby, the more that you gave, the less that I need. Everyone says I look out there when it feels right. Come on! I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees. Gonna say the misery's love's company. It's not your fault to ruin everything, and it's not your fault to come and what you need. Baby, it's just like you can fly down here with me. I'm everything they said I would be. La la la. Napakahirap pagka naka-dress, no? I put you down slow, love you goodbye before you let go. Just one more time. Take your clothes, pretend that it's fine. A little more. What girl is you love? Must you don't look up. It feels right. I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees. Gonna say the misery's love's company. It's not your fault to ruin everything, and it's not your fault to come and what you need. Baby, it's just like you can fly down there with me. I'm everything they said I would be. Sino nakaka-relate? La la la. Sabay-sabay, ha? Whoa! Come on! Whoa! Let's go! I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees. Gonna say the misery's love's company. It's not your fault to ruin everything, and it's not your fault to come and what you need. Baby, it's just like you can fly down there with me. Oh, it's just like you can fly down there with me. Yes! More ba? Para sasabay tayo. Sayang hindi abot yung microphone doon, no? May nagwawala doon sa pinakadulo. Parang relate na relate si ate. Ayan, kaway-kaway naman dyan na naka-white. Parang siya talaga yung kumanta. Grabe yung action niya, ganun eh. Sabay-sabay tayo, ah! Tears of joy! Happy 10th year anniversary, Pelham Global Immigration! One more time! Akala ko ikaw ay aking totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay akabit, naglalaho sa dilim. Sino bang nakaka-relate dito? Ninais kong mapalapit sa'yo, sir. Ninais kong malaman mo. Ano ba, sir? Ang mga paghihirap ko. Mukhang umiyak, sir. Wala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal. Kasama ko ang may kapal. Ako pala'y naging isang hangal. Naghahangad ang isang katulad mo. Sabay-sabay! Hindi ko na kailangan. Umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo May damdamin ding nasasaktan, ang puso mo'y nasaan. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit ang pala'y naging isang angay, naghahanga ng isang katulad mo. Sing! Hindi ko na malis ka na sa akin, damdamin ko sa'yo. Hindi ako kamay ko po, be. Parito ang iyong tangan, ako'y masyadong bakit? Ayaw ko na mangarap. Come on! Ayaw ko na tumingin. Ayaw ko na nasasaktan ang damdamin. Kuya, bakit ikaw? Ayaw na mangarap. Ayaw ko na tumingin. Ayaw ko na manalangin. Nasasaktan ang damdamin. Kulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pagi ko. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, bakit ngayon'y nasa ilalim? Balik ka lagi natin. Kulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pagi ko. Come on! Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, ay babaw naman. Sabi ni Kuya doon, sana daw hindi malasing. Nalasing na yata si Kuya. At saka si Kuya parang nag-concert. Alright, thank you so much! One more daw. Okay, no, si Melasi sabi niya ate. Ba't alam mo yun? Genre ko yun. Research yata ako ni ate. No, si Balasi. Okay guys, no, si Balasi daw. Dapat makisabay kayo ha? Kasi yung microphone di abot dun eh. Okay. Come on! Oh yeah! Let's go! Alright now! Pansin ang naninira sa'yo, basta't alam mo lang na tamang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong titipin. Kung mapatulan mo'y lalo ka lang aasarin. Ikaw ba yan ate? Sa Nazi! Sino ba sila? Nazi, Nazi Balasi. Sino ba sila? Ang galing naman niya ate. O, sino lang mahamon? Madam, agad ka dito. Hindi ako sa microphone dyan. Yung wifi masyadong mahina. Come on! Let's go! Ang pansinin, ang nakikinig sa'yo, basta't alam mo lang na tamang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papatulan mo'y lalo ka lang aasarin. Let's go! Nosy, Nosy Balasi. Let's go ate. Sino ba sila? Kanina pa nagtuturo si sir. Okay, let's go. Nosy, Nosy Balasi. Sino ba sila? Wow! Ito naman si ate ha. Si sir. Ganun na song si pala, si.
Naya si kuya, oh.
Sino? Sino ba sila? Nasi, nasi malasi. Sino? Sino ba sila?
Yeah! Thank you so much! Once again, happy 10th year anniversary Philippine Global Immigration Corporation! Thank you very much. Sabi ni Kuya, one more. Sir, alam mo ba mahal yung TF ko? One song, 5K. Anyways, thank you so much.